In the ever-evolving landscape of business, one company stands out as your strategic partner for all things human resources. Introducing HR Boost, a beacon of expertise and innovation. At HR Boost, they're not just consultants, they're your partners in success. The range of services offered both through consulting and outsourcing are designed to empower the business with the latest insights in human resource management. Their philosophy, grounded in the twin pillars of efficiency and effectiveness. They're not content with being reactive, they're proactive. As your business spreads its wings, HR Boost anticipates your HR needs, crafting solutions that fit like a glove today and have an eye on tomorrow.
Processes. What HR Boost did as a result of that meeting was help us set an overall strategy and prioritize, and really take things in bite-sized pieces so that we can make lasting changes.
As your enterprise flourishes, HR requirements shift. And that's where HR Boost steps in. Their mission is to help you focus on what truly matters, your core operations. They specialize in cost containment, minimizing employer-related risks. They're not just here to level the playing field. They're here to make you a formidable competitor. Their results speak volumes, rivaling even the giants in your industry. What services do they offer? They're your one-stop shop for employee wellness assessment, payroll services, professional coaching, and many more. But they're not just about the services, they're about people, your people. Their vision is to provide you with the tools, resources, and unwavering support to nurture and optimize your investment in your workforce. Meet the driving force behind HR Boost, the founder and CEO, Nicole Martin. A visionary leader who believes that excellence is not a destination, but a journey that they undertake with the clients every day. Star Conferences is thrilled to share that Nicole Martin, the CEO of HR Boost, will grace the upcoming World Women Forum 2023 in the vibrant city of Las Vegas. Join us to share your brand story and make impactful collaborations.